Hello, today is November 16th, and I don't really expect any trades today. It's almost noon, it's 11:30, and from what I saw today on the charts, there is nothing interesting. We're still where we were yesterday. So, yeah, I don't see anything at all just from the charts. AMD goes a little bit against us. VIX, it's VIX for 1 day. Expiration VIX, yes, it looks like it bottomed yesterday. Today we had something lower, but we're going a little up. So, yeah, I wouldn't do anything because we already have some positions. So I would probably just go around our positions. Let's see, what do we have? Credit vertical puts. It's was Tesla, and it has been closed earlier for a little profit, $63. Mara has been also short put, has been also closed for the more or less same profit, like $50. Iron Condor, MDB, Monga. Where is Monga? MDB. Yeah, so it was testing our top legs of the Iron Condor, the calls. So we were slightly, we were losing money. And right now it seems to go down. Probably it will go down together with the market, and we will close it somewhere in 2-3 days. Well, probably 5 next week. So yeah, and we will see actually what's with earnings. They usually go up, but then they get down. Yeah, well, no, the last earnings were too bullish, but right now we will see whether we want to close it before earnings or after. What's next? Long straddles. EEM. Well, EM went up a lot, so it will obviously go down together with the market, I think. So it would be good to close the call. Probably I will. I don't know, we will see later today, because it was a really good good position when we started it on third. Where is third? Oh, yeah, I thought we actually picked the button, but no, we were 2 days late. So I don't even know if it makes sense to close the call. There is not much. We will see if there is at least $50 then probably, but it's EM. It's like, what's the price? $39, the underlying. It's probably like $10-20, so I don't want to touch it. Nothing interesting. Long strangles. We had IWM and Square. So, but I did close the calls on all of them. So yes, we are kind of no, we went lower than expected and we went higher than expected, but right now I would expect it to go probably at least to that same rectangle, and we will probably close puts there. Right now puts are, I think, they're still underwater, so we will see. And Square, what do we do today with it? Nothing. Square is it's the same place as yesterday when I actually closed the calls, so nothing interesting here. Still waiting for the drop. Long calls, nothing here. Debit vertical calls, nothing here. Debit vertical puts. Microsoft, AMD, and Qs with closed short put. So for the Qs we are waiting. Yeah, we are waiting. Nothing interesting. Microsoft and AMD. Oh, Microsoft. Okay, here is this beauty. It doesn't go down yet. but probably it will soon. Hopefully it will soon. AMD still grows. Yeah, today it opened lower, but it still goes up. Very good. Not even oversold, not even overbought. Like almost there, but not technically, not officially. So yeah, also should go down soon, a little bit at least. And trades, like I said, I don't expect anything, so we'll just go to strategies. Create vertical call. Mango, in phase, Tesla, Nvidia, nothing interesting. Credit vertical put, no. Debit vertical put. AMD, Costco, Amazon. Amazon. What's with Amazon today? Amazon. Wow. That looks interesting. What do we have here? Potential loss 111. Potential profit like 400. No, we already have Microsoft, AMD. Very similar things. No, I don't want to do anything right now because the market is so strong. I have no idea what it will do. Well, it should go down a little, but not clear how much. Long call, butterflies, straddle, strangle. What's with strangles? If there is something, okay, there is something with Doku, very cheap, but no, not something that's interesting. Tesla, TTD, no. Well, straddles maybe, but they're all also expensive. So, no. I will not push it today. We already have some positions. I want to see the decline, how it will go. Depending on it, we can at least figure out whether we will go higher or whether we go lower. So we will wait to see what will happen. The bullish legs, bullish trades, we closed yesterday. So for now we will see what we do with the bearish ones. Hopefully they will earn us something and we will close bearish legs as well. And after that we will see about other future strategies. But for today this is it. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Subscribe, press the like button and all that stuff. If you have any questions, just leave them in comments. I will check them later. Thanks. Bye.